Hello Vanessa, it's lovely to see you standing in front of this beautiful aeroplane. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
This is our latest build from AdventureAir. It's a Zenith STOL 750 and we just done with the magnificent paintwork.
Vanessa, tell me what you like the most about this beautiful aeroplane.
I like this airplane because of the exceptional interior, also done by AdventureAir. It has 100% leather seats in and mats, and I also like the paint job done by Rudy.
Proper secure. Balance weights on. Balance screens. Nose gear looks good. Locking. Safe. Oil. Radiator fluid level good. The latch is not broken. That works. Great. Slack bolts. Good. Bolts. Landing light plugs in. Secure. Landing light wires secure. Right. Bottom of wing looks good. Heat is great. That's look good. This is forcing. Main gear is split pin locked. Brake secure.
What sort of price is this aeroplane?
The selling price is 1.85 million.
Alright. Inside. Okay. Engine parameters all looking good. Volts, 12 volts. Here on oil pressure. Fuel quantity 34.36. Looks good. Alright. Fuel cock functional both. Left. Okay, that's going right. Throttles working together. Flaps functional.
Vanessa, what sort of cruising speed does this aeroplane have?
100 miles per hour. She flies beautiful and lovely.